In this video, I'll show you how to pack the Tortuga Setout travel backpack using some Tortuga packing cubes, as well as some Eagle Creek packing cubes that I think work a little better for this backpack. And if you like videos on minimalistic travel, then please subscribe to our channel and enjoy. If you saw my review on the Setout, you saw me pack the bag using these Tortuga packing cubes that I think are really great, but are a little bit thin for this backpack. In this video, I'll go more into depth on how to pack the Setout using these cubes, and then I'll show you how to pack it using all this gear here with some Eagle Creek packing cubes that I think work a little bit better. Let's start by looking at the Tortuga packing cubes. This is the medium set, which is designed to fit inside the Setout 35. It comes with 3 pieces. There's a medium one and then 2 of these smaller cubes, and you can see they have rounded corners that are designed to fit inside the rounded shape of the Setout. These cubes are really well made with the same 900 denier polyester as on the backpack. They have a see-through mesh top and large YKK zippers. These cubes would be perfect with the Setout if it wasn't for the fact that they're a little bit thin. As an example, I packed this medium cube with 1 pair of jeans and 2 long sleeve button-up shirts, and as you can see, it's pretty much completely full. This smaller cube, I have 4 men's medium t-shirts in here. And then, as you can see, when you pack the Setout with these cubes, they're a little bit thin compared to the width of the main compartment, and you have quite a bit of room left over on top of the cubes. This might work for you if you have a lot of large, bulky items to stack on top of these packing cubes, but for me, I like to pack most of my clothes into cubes, so I'm looking for something a little bit bigger. I've had these 2 medium Eagle Creek packing cubes for years, and I use them for most of my travel. I think they actually work better for packing the Setout than the Tortuga packing cubes. Now I'll show you how to pack the Setout using all the gear I have on the table here, which is a minimalist packing list for cold weather travel. This first cube I have is an expansion cube, and it works really great for larger items like pants and long sleeve shirts. You start with it zipped out in expansion mode, then you pack your gear in here and zip it shut to compress. I like to bring a pair of jeans when I travel, but instead of packing them in the backpack, I'm just gonna wear them because they're kind of bulky. So in this first cube, I'm gonna have 2 sets of pants and then 2 long sleeve button-up merino wool shirts. And then because it's cold, I'm gonna bring some base layers. I have 2 thermal undershirts and then 1 set of thermal underwear that I'm gonna pack in this second packing cube. I'm gonna go pretty light here and take 2 additional t-shirts. I have 1 polyester t-shirt and another merino wool t-shirt. Even though these packing cubes hold a lot more than the Tortuga cubes, they fit inside the main compartment on the Setout really well, and still allow me a little bit extra room on the top for some of my other items, which I'm gonna set my toiletries kit. I have a small outdoor research rain jacket, and then I have this 16-liter waterproof day pack by Matador that folds down into this tiny little pocket. In these top mesh divider pockets, I'm gonna put all of my socks and underwear. And I have 6 pairs of underwear here, and I only have 2 pairs of socks, which you can get away with because they're merino wool. I have a thinner set of Darn Tough socks here, and then a thicker set of Smart Wool. And because we have 2 mesh pockets here, I'm gonna pack all of my clean socks and underwear into the top pocket and leave the bottom pocket empty. And then as I go, I'll use this bottom pocket to transfer my dirty clothes. That's it for packing the main compartment. And all of my small electronics, gadgets, notebook, passport, and then this Arc'teryx jacket, I'm gonna pack in this top compartment. You have a couple inches of expansion room on this top pocket in the Setout, which is big enough for a small rain jacket, or if you have a minimalistic jacket like this Arc'teryx Atom, that thing fits in there pretty good. And then all of these other items, my passport, electronics, and chargers, fit in these top organizational pockets. That's everything I had on the table there, packed into the 35-liter version of the Tortuga Setout. And all of that gear is a good packing list for long-term cold weather travel, which I'll include a link to the packing list in the description below. And if you like videos like this, packing demonstrations, bag reviews, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.